Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we've got beans down about 2 cents, corn unchanged to maybe a penny lower, and wheat down 4 cents. Stock market has turned a little bit lower, dollar's a little bit higher, crude's lower near $77 a barrel, and gold is about unchanged. I think in the grains, we saw that big rally on Monday. It was met with farmers selling, especially in the old crop corn. And I was in Tennessee yesterday, and the farmers were asking a lot of questions, good questions. And one of the questions they asked was most of the analysts that they have come to them and talked to them have been bearish. And I said, that's true. The numbers are negative. Friday, the USDA should increase the new crop corn carryout, bean carryout, and wheat carryout. And so, assuming normal weather, that should be bearish to prices. But I said that the weather is still a big unknown, and the fact that we could see a little bit less than normal rainfall west of the Mississippi this summer could push prices eventually higher. Certainly we have the composition for it, with the funds still big shorts in the soybean, in the corn, in soybean oil, and even in wheat. And that they have the biggest short position total in the grain room for this time of year ever. And so a weather rally could happen if the weather is not cooperating. As far as global weather is concerned, one more shot of heavy rain in southern Brazil, and then I think we might see less of the extreme rainfall in southern Brazil. There has been talk that maybe the losses down there is maybe only 1 million tons. Versus fears of 5 million tons. We're still seeing too much rain in France. We're maybe seeing some shower activity in the Texas Panhandle that could move up into central Kansas, but not western Kansas. We're also noting that we're going to see some record cold temperatures later this week in parts of Russia and Ukraine. I don't think that's going to hurt the wheat, or the market would be reacting to that, but it could hurt the rapeseed crop. Then after that, we could see a few showers, especially in southern Russia. This morning, 6Z maps have a little bit more rain than the 0Z maps. Europe and the Black Sea is on vacation right now, the next 2 days, and then we have export sales tomorrow, and then the USDA on Friday. And again, we'll see if the market wants to change momentum, keep where we're at right now because of the USDA numbers. And there's going to be a lot of numbers. They'll be adjusting 23, 24 and give us our first look at 24, 25 supply and demand numbers. So a lot to digest, and we'll just see how the funds want to react to that. So beans a little bit lower, corn about unchanged, wheat lower, meal gaining on oil, stocks a little bit lower, the dollar a little bit higher, and crude lower.